What's up, Dice Dreamers? Jack Paul here. Tired of waiting for rolls? I've got the legit 2025 tricks to get you what feels like unlimited rolls absolutely free. No scams, just pure gameplay boosts. Let's get rolling. Let's see how much rolls I have in my account. As you can see, I have only 47 rolls. Now, open any browser you want, then type this address, cardvault.com/DiteStreams. Then type your Dice Dreams username. Select an amount for how much you want. You're just one tiny step away from unlocking your Dice Dreams free rolls. I know you're excited to get those dice rolling, and I am too. This is actually the final step. They just want to verify that you're human. It's super important to make sure you're not an unidentified device or a bot, and that these free rolls go to real players like us. To get instant access to your rolls, all you need to do is complete a quick, free offer. This could be something simple, like downloading a popular app from Google Play or filling out a short survey with some valid info. It literally takes just a minute or two. Now, due to privacy policies and terms of service, I can't show you my personal details for this offer. But don't worry, I'll be doing the exact same thing right alongside you. As soon as I'm done, I'll be back here on display with all the amazing free rolls unlocked. After complete the free offer, let's see the result. There you have it, live proof. Those Dice Dreams free rolls are officially in my account. It was a super quick verification just to confirm I'm human. Now you know it's legit. If you want your free rolls, the link's in the description. Go get them, and I'll see you in the next one.